is Clarice. Do a trick.
Wait. Where's...
We should really go do a trick. Oh, Lord. Clarice, you're gonna break your camera. Good thing you're getting a new one for Christmas.
Mac? Oh, jeez. Where's some funny ones? Oh, God.
I like that green sweater right there. That is hot. Okay. I like your ballerina. And your Zac Efron. And your Geeky Kid. And your other Zac Efron. Whoa. That looks huge.
Alien baby.
You're hotter in person.
How would you know?
Because I met him 6 times. Just kidding.
Oh, God.
I've raped him too.
Oh, God. You better be happy that there's...
Oh, they're pulling down your pants. Oh, look at my feet.
Can I help you?
Yeah.
I'd like a large...
I'd like a large fry with extra salad and string cheese. I'd like to shove it all on my pillow. And then...
It smells so good, I just want to eat it. No, I want to shove it in my pillow. Oh, Miss Dawkins! Daily! Miss Dawkins, Miss Five Ash asked about you. Oh, so did my dentist.
She really did know.
Wait, so why are you wearing knee pads? Oh, she falls a lot?
Why am I so funny?
Because I give you the ideas.
No, you don't. Shut up, before I throw this camera at you.
Oh, God.